Hi there, I'm Maggie for Danielson, Benefit's Chief Beauty Ambassador. I'm here in San Francisco where Benefit was born, and I am going to talk to you guys about our best-selling category of makeup at Benefit, and that would be the brow category. And today, if you want to see how I get my brows like this, full, natural, voluminous, it's with these three products. So GimMe Brow, which is our brow volumizing fiber gel, Precisely My Brow Pencil, which is our precision filling pencil, and Goof Proof Brow Pencil, which is the easiest to use brow pencil you've ever seen. So here we go. Okay, so I removed my brow product. These are my bare brows. This is what I'm working with. And let's get started by talking about Precisely My Brow Pencil. So this is the precision filling pencil from Benefit Cosmetics. It's double-ended, so we have a really precise tip on one end, and this is a roll-up pencil. You do not need to sharpen it. On the other end is what we call a spoolie, or the blending tool. So let me show you how I like to use it best. I'm using shade 4. It comes in tons of shades, so you'll be able to find the shade that's right for you. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start by going into small little strokes through my brow hairs. The key to this product is using it in small little strokes. You don't need to go one big stroke. Small little strokes through your brow, slowly building it to the desired shade and fullness that you want. And because this has such a small tip, it creates the look of individual hairs. Now, the other key thing is to flip it over and blend. You're not gonna get the results that you want unless you blend the product through. To really marry the product with the brows you have, creating a full yet natural, which is the key, brow. Okay, the next brow product I'm gonna show you is called Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Goof Proof is the perfect pencil if you are, a newbie to brow pencils, if you're in a rush, if you don't have time for precision and you want fast, quick, and easy, slam it on brows. So why is it so quick and easy? Well, this is a completely different type of brow pencil than the other one. Do you see the tip there? It's wide at the base and comes to a narrow point at the top. That's gonna make for easy and quick filling. The actual product itself is very creamy and buildable for quick and easy buildability. And then we also, like the other pencil, have a spoolie at the other end. So let's get started. Again, remember, this brow's already filled in with the Precisely My Brow Pencil, which is all about precision. And now I'm gonna go ahead and fill in this brow with the Goof Proof. I wear shade 4 in both pencils. And I'm gonna start at the front of my brow, and I'm gonna go vertically through this section of my brow, short strokes, and then I'm gonna brush it through the rest of my brow. Remember, this section here, which we call the tail, is really important to fill in. You wanna make sure that you bring your tail back. Now, this product itself will adhere to the skin, it will adhere to the hairs you have, and then remember, blend, blend, blend. Go through the product with the spoolie to really make sure it is seamlessly blended into your natural brow. Last but not least is GimMe Brow. GimMe Brow is a staple in the Benefit Brow Collection. Why? Because it is a brow volumizing fiber gel. So what this is gonna do for you is it's gonna create the look of voluminous, fuller looking brows. Now, you can wear this on your own, on its own, on bare brows. I actually love to layer it on top of the Precisely My Brow Pencil or the Goof Proof Brow Pencil to give my brows texture, to give them fullness, to give them volume. It really, really enhances your brows so beautifully. So let me show you what I mean. Again, I'm wearing shade 4 in the GimMe Brow. So many shades available, and they really do correspond back to the pencils beautifully. So like I said, I have Precisely My Brow Pencil on this brow, filled it in, and now I'm gonna go through with the GimMe Brow, and there's volumizing microfiber technology. So it's actually gonna mimic the look of real hair as you brush this through. The microfibers adhere to the hair you have, creating the look of fullness, of thickness, and of volume. It also keeps your brow hairs in place. So this is really the critical product to take your brows to the next level. So that's it. My brows are feeling great, looking great. I feel confident. And remember, it only took 3 products. Well, actually two products for each brow. On this side, I layered the Precisely My Brow Pencil, our precision brow product, with the volumizing microfiber gel GimMe Brow. And on this side, I layered the Goof Proof Brow Pencil, which is our easy, quick, and filling brow pencil, again, with the GimMe Brow, which is the brow volumizing fiber gel. So I hope that you guys learned something about brows. I hope you had fun, thought of something that maybe you could use to help improve your brows. Thanks, bye-bye.